Good morning, folks. I'm here in the demonstration garden in Kidder, Missouri, trying to get this grow box ready for the tomatoes that are going into it. I needed to refill the box because my sawdust had decomposed over the years it's been in here, and I wanted to cover that and tell you what you need to do in your own. The sawdust is the only thing in the grow box that's going to decompose. The sand is still there, so you don't have to add any more sand. All you need to add is sawdust. Top the grow box off with sawdust, and then use a tool like I'm using a potato fork here, or a little mini tiller, and go the depth of the grow box with that tool and bring up the sand that's sitting in the bottom. I've also put an application of preplant and weekly feed on here. You can see it on top, and I'm mixing that in with that potato fork as I work on the grow box. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening.